Welcome to our channel The Child. Today I am going to show an arithmetic activity using a different material. We have introduced the term addition, okay, so that the child can realize what is addition. So putting together is called addition. So there is another video which we have uploaded in our channel. You can refer to that and make the child understand what is addition, which is nothing but putting together. Now here, using a material, we are going to help the child to concentrate on the basic combinations and its results around addition. Okay, so whatever be the number, whatever be the level, 4936, 1897, you are not going to add as such. Again, you are going to use the basic combinations one by one, starting from units, tens, hundreds and thousands. You are going to use only the basic combinations. So there are like 81 basic combinations, and I will show you the 81 basic combinations using the material. So the first number is called addend, the second number is also called addend, and the result whatever you get is called sum. So when you talk about addend, it will be 9 or less. Here again addend, it will be 9 or less. See, it's 6, 7, 3, 9, 9, 8, 4, 1. So it could be 9 or less than 9. Okay, in the range of 1 to 8. Okay, so having known this, I will introduce you to the material called Montessori material addition full chart. If you Google for addition full chart, you will get this. What you can do, you can take a printout and laminate this. So earlier in traditional school, what they used to do, they used to do rote learning. Okay, continuously they will be telling it, and they believe that kind of repetition will help the child to memorize the result. Here, using an activity, we are going to help the child to meditate on the basic combinations and its results. Okay, I am again and again telling on basic combinations. What is a basic combination? As I have told already, whatever be the number, whatever be the level or hierarchy of the number. So again, what we need is basic combinations. When I say basic combinations, you add 1 with 1 to 9, 2 again 1 to 9, 3 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here blue refers the addend, the first addend. This is the number which is getting added. Okay, so this is blue. If it is 6 plus 8, 6 is there and 8 is getting added from the red. Okay, so blue band, red band. So when you take 6, again you have to add with 1 to any number in between 1 to 9 combination. Even if you take 8, again 1 to 9. So 9 again 1 to 9. So 9 into 9, 81 combinations are there. So if the child knows these combinations, then adding, it will become an easy job. So how to use this material? So to get this material, very simple. Google for addition full chart and you will get this. Take a printout and laminate. Okay. Now I will show you how to use this material. So first introduce the material to the child, and you also show the display of this material so that it should be accessible. Okay, so introduce this material to the child, and we can say, shall we do addition? Okay, now we can tell her like, let's add 6 and 8, or you can say we can add 6 plus 8. Okay, so the first number you pick from the blue band and 8 from the red band. So from blue band you have to move down vertically, and from 8 you have to move horizontally. The place where the two fingers meet, or the square where the two fingers meet, gives the result. So also ask the child to verbalize the result. Like 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, shall we do one simple one? Okay, let's add 3 and 2. Let's do 3 plus 2. Okay, So the first number from the blue band, second number from the red band. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So this way the child gets idea about the basic combinations and its results. So the child can concentrate, okay, on the basic combinations, and also using this material, it will be more like a fun activity for them. So you can do one more, 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So there is no rote learning, there is not going to be any energy loss. So it will be very much a fun activity. Okay, so what you can do, initially you introduce like this, and later what you can do, you can write the combination. Just take one number and and add the rest of the numbers 1 to 9. Okay, and then once they are able to do it, then move on and give randomly 6 plus 3, 9 plus 8, like that. Okay, take one number and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till 9, and then once they are able to do it on their own, once you feel they have memorized the results of basic combinations, give them randomly. So let them write. See, if you see any advertisement, it will be there for few seconds, right? But they are telecasting these advertisements every few minutes, right? So indirectly what they are trying to do, they are trying to position their brand in our brains, right? That is why we will not say cable TV, we will say Sun TV. So it's all because of the repetition. So in rote learning also it was repetition only, but they were telling out. They have to open their mouth and tell every time. Here, using a material, it will be much like a fun activity. There will not be any energy loss. So by repeating, okay, in Montessori, we believe in repetition. Repetition is very much valuable. So if you keep this material in an accessible place, the child can take it whenever they feel like doing it. So repetition will help the child to memorize the results of basic combinations. Right? So I hope you like this activity. If you find it useful, please leave your comments and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.